Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, January 13th is National Sticker Day, and what better way to celebrate than to do a quick sticker tutorial. As you can see, I already have an image on my canvas, and I do want to add one more, so I'm going to click on Upload. If I was going to upload from my computer, I would click on Upload Image, but I already have it uploaded here, so I'm going to click on it and then click Add to Canvas. I'm going to resize the image to 2 inches. Now that my image is resized, I am going to change the background of my canvas. So I'm going to come down to blank canvas and then come up to the color box. You can click any color you want. So I'm going to click on this light blue and then remove the grid lines. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can create a sticker in Design Space. I'm going to start by clicking on this jar. If you pay for Cricut access, you will have access to this Create Sticker button. So I'm going to click here and you can choose Die Cut or Kiss Cut. I'm going to choose Kiss Cut. And then you can choose your border, thin, standard, wide, or you can customize your border. I'm going to go ahead and click thin and then apply. And now my sticker is ready to go. If you do not pay for Cricut access, let me show you another way. So you would click on the image. I'm going to go to offset. This guide here shows you how large your offset will be. So I do not want it that large, so I'm going to toggle down. And I'm actually going to just go ahead and change this to 0.045 and then click apply. As you can see, we do have a black border around, and that is our offset. Now, you can also see that there are some cutouts here, and your Cricut will actually cut those out as small holes in your sticker. If that is what you're going for, then you would leave it just like this. That is not what I want, so I'm going to come over to offset and click on it, then come over to operation and go to basic cut. Then I'm going to come down here where it says contour, and before this was grayed out. Now that we have it in basic cut, we can click on it, and then you see all these pieces here where you can click hide all contour, X out, and now we have a solid background. And all we would have to do from here is change it to whatever color you want, and I want it to be white. The last thing you would do is drag over your offset and the image and click flatten. And now you have another sticker ready to go. So those are the 2 ways you can create stickers with a border or offset in Design Space. I already have my stickers ready, so I'm going to hide these 2 stickers and then click on attached. And here are all the stickers that I am making today. I downloaded these images from Creative Fabrica. If you're interested, the link will be down below in the description box. Only thing you will not find are the ones with the words. I created those to match the color scheme of my stickers. So from here, we're going to click Make. So we have all our stickers here on the cut mat, and my stickers all fit within the cuttable area. So I'm going to go and click on Continue from here and then click Send to Printer. I'm going to turn the bleed off, but turn Use System Dialog on and click Print. I'm going to come here and use my Canon, then click on Media and Quality and go to Rear, Matte Photo Paper, and Best, then click Print. For my cut settings, I'm going to click Printable Iron On Light and put it on less pressure. I will always say do your test cut based on your material and your machine. I just realized that this is the best cut setting for my machine. All right, you guys. So I have my stickers all printed and cut out. They came out looking wonderful. Just a tip, if you wanted to laminate your stickers, you could definitely put an adhesive laminate over top of it before sending it through your Cricut. All right, so let's get started. So what I am doing actually is creating a spread for my Bible journal. By the way, I did make this cover for my Bible journal. This is the front and then the inside, and then the back looks basically the same except nothing written on it. So first of all, if you're interested in seeing how I made this cover, let me know in the comments below and I can do a tutorial on that. And if just for reference, this is the Happy Planner store-bought. So this is what the cover looks like, and then this is my cover. Okay, I'm just gonna grab paper from out of here. When I do my spreads, I just do one paper, and sometimes I wind up decorating the back as well. You know, if my notes wind up going past the first page, I could have something on the back, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes the back is blank. Okay, so when I start with a spread, I normally start with washi tape. If I plan to use washi tape, I usually start with washi tape, and I've been storing my washi tape just recently on these rings. Originally, I was thinking of using this here, but this pink is just too pink for this. So I figured since there's several blues in here that I would go with that, with the navy blue polka dots. So I'm going to use that. I just try to get my washi tape down wherever I want it to be. Sometimes I will put it down just the way it is here, just like that. Sometimes what I tend to do is I will cut it and then I rip it just to give it that, sometimes I like that jagged edge that you get from ripping it. And here's the thing, you guys, I normally use stickers for my Bible journals, my Bible journal entries when I'm taking my notes and things like that, but you can use stickers for anything. If, like I said, if you're someone who has a planner and you decorate your planner, you could do that. Maybe you don't decorate your planner. You might want to try giving it a try. If you have a journal, you're someone who journals every day, or or throughout the week, maybe you want to start decorating your journals with stickers and other things like washi tape. And there's ephemera out there that you can use. There's all sorts of things that you can do to add some creativity to something that you do on a daily basis. I started doing this because it just seemed like, I'm like, why not decorate the page? It's mine. I'm the only one who has to look at it. And it also brought me joy, just to see that I had somewhere fun to write my notes on. And I do not let this distract me from reading my Bible and taking my notes, because I usually get this ready the day before. Lately, I have been doing a few days at a time, so I can already have it in my Bible journal. There is no messing around with stickers when I get up early in the morning. I am literally just opening up my Bible and beginning to read and take notes. And then you may have children or grandchildren who like stickers. They enjoy stickers. Maybe stickers aren't for you, but you can always make some for the people in your life who do enjoy stickers. All right, so I have that on there. I actually think I want to add just this solid line going on the edge. So I'm going to do that. So I have my borders on. I am going to pull out my stickers. I'm kind of contemplating at the moment using my sticker guide. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna hold it off to the side here just in case I want to use it. So here's the deal with these stickers. They are, as you can see, they are about sewing. They're nothing technically Bible related, but I learned that it doesn't have to be. It's about the creativity, and because they have nothing to do technically with the Bible, I make the little stickers that actually are Bible related or whatever. Like this one says God is love, and then here this says use your gifts to serve one another, 1 Peter 4:10. So I just decide that, you know, I'm gonna just take the things that are everyday things that we use, that we see, and use them in my Bible journal. Why not? Things that I'm interested in, that I like. You know, I know that there are many people. I watch a lot of planners and I watch them decorate their calendars and things like that. And a lot of times you see a lot of flowers. And if you know anything about me, I do not like flowers at all. I'm not a flower person. So I very rarely decorate with anything that has flowers, but that's why I'm saying it doesn't have to be what everybody else is doing. It can be what brings you joy. And although I do not know how to sew, one of the things that I do want to learn is how to sew. So when I saw this, I said, you know what? I really like this. I know how much I would love to learn how to sew. And I'm hoping that it's something that will happen sooner than later. So I say, you know what, I'm gonna go with this. This will be like an inspiration basically for me to really get on this idea of sewing. Let's go with these measuring tapes here. And I'll put one right here. And I think I'm gonna go with this jar of buttons next to put right here in the middle. And you know what? I just write around the stickers. Like I said, I never have a situation where I've ran out of space on both the front and back of the pages. So you can fill your pages and if it's your journal or if it's your calendar, you can fill your pages with as little or as much as you please. You know, this is your thing. I started this because I wanted to find creativity somewhere else, outside of my Cricut, and I was like, yes, this is it. And then you can layer things. Like I'm going to layer this one here. This is a fabric, so I'm just gonna put this God is love right over top of that. Let's see, I still have space here. I'm gonna take this button heart and put it about there. Do I want it? Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. And let's see. I have some scissors. I want scissors on here. But I do not want to rip. There we go. Here, I'm gonna put the scissors right there, and I have another one that size, so I'm gonna fit it in there. I also really love using my tweezers for this. I feel like I need something here. What do we want to put there? Maybe this little mannequin. This mannequin stand. All right, and sometimes when I'm not sure, like this is what this is for, the guide. So let's see, now I'm gonna use the guide because I wanna see how well this will look in this spot. Let me make sure I'm using the right side. Yes, I am using the right side. There's a shiny side here, and then there's this dull side. You wanna use the dull side. So let's see how this will look, putting this right here. All right, that'll work. So I'm gonna take it off and put it right there. I think so. I think so. Let's see, where do I want to put the straight pin? Do I want it there? No, I don't like that. I think I'm gonna put the straight pin back and get a thimble. Let me get a thimble. Not a thimble, what do you call it? A thread. A spool. The spool of thread. I'm like, what is it called? Yeah, right there. All right, so I am done. This is what this spread looks like. And just for reference, you can do all sorts of things. Like this is a puzzle one. This is more about books and different color pumpkins, plants, snowmen and penguins. Whatever you plan to use your stickers for, you can always make it your own. If you don't find something in an actual sticker book, you can create that thing. So I hope you enjoyed today's sticker tutorial. I hope it helped you if you are still learning how to make stickers, and then I hope it inspired you to go and decorate all the things with your stickers, whether that be your journal, your calendar, your Bible journal, whatever it might be. Go and make it your own and enjoy it. So before you leave, I hope that you would leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you would consider subscribing and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss a future video of mine. All right, happy National Sticker Day. Later, guys.